Making truly great pizza indoors used to feel unrealistic, but that's no longer the case. Modern countertop ovens can now deliver impressive heat, texture, and consistency without stepping outside. In this video, exploring the best indoor pizza oven, we're looking at how today's leading indoor pizza ovens actually perform in real kitchens. I'm super interested to hear what kind of pizza you usually make at home, whether it's classic cheese or something more experimental. Feel free to share as you watch. We'll begin with the Presto Pizzazz Plus rotating oven, which immediately stands out for how differently it approaches pizza cooking. Instead of a sealed chamber, you use an open design with a rotating tray that continuously turns the pizza as it cooks. As you place your pizza on the platform, the top and bottom heating elements begin radiating heat while the rotation ensures even exposure on all sides. This creates a hands-on visual cooking experience where you can watch every stage of the bake. As you spend time using the Pizzazz Plus, its independent top and bottom heat controls become especially valuable. You're able to emphasize a crisp base, thoroughly melted cheese, or a balanced finish depending on your preference. Because the heat is focused directly on the pizza rather than warming a full oven cavity, cooking feels efficient and controlled. The rotating motion eliminates hot spots, so every slice finishes evenly brown and ready to serve. There is a distinctly sensory quality to cooking with this oven. You see the cheese bubbling in real time, smell the crust toasting, and hear the gentle sizzle as heat meets dough. When the pizza comes off the tray, the color is uniform from edge to edge, and the texture feels consistent throughout. It's a relaxed, approachable way to make pizza indoors that feels intuitive, even if you're not deeply experienced. Over time, the Presto Pizzazz Plus proves itself as a dependable, everyday option. Its simplicity, compact footprint, and minimal learning curve make it easy to return to again and again. You can expect enjoyable, evenly cooked pizza with very little effort, which is exactly what many home cooks are looking for in an indoor setup. Moving on, the Cuisinart Indoor Pizza Oven CPZ 120 shifts the experience toward a more traditional oven-style approach. When you open the door, you'll find an enclosed cooking chamber designed specifically to hold a 12-inch pizza, complete with a pizza stone at the base. As the oven preheats, that stone stores and radiates heat, preparing the surface for direct contact with the dough. When you slide a pizza inside, you benefit from temperatures that exceed those of a conventional home oven. This higher heat environment encourages quick dough expansion, giving you a crust that's crisp on the outside while staying tender inside. The combination of top and bottom heating elements works to cook toppings and crusts simultaneously, creating a cohesive bake rather than cooking each component in isolation. If you've ever tried to push your regular oven to its limits for pizza, I'm genuinely curious how close it got to the results you wanted. Let me know what your experience has been. The enclosed design changes the sensory experience in a noticeable way. Heat circulates around the pizza, trapping aromas and promoting even browning. As the cheese melts and the crust sets, you can expect a balanced finish with well-developed flavor and texture. The oven feels purpose-built for pizza, rather than adapted from a general appliance. Living with the CPZ 120, you come to appreciate how seamlessly it fits into regular cooking routines. It doesn't demand constant monitoring, yet consistently delivers elevated results. For many users, it strikes a satisfying balance between simplicity and performance, making it a strong contender in conversations about a top-rated indoor pizza oven. Next, the Chefman Indoor Pizza Oven brings modern precision into focus. From the moment you power it on, the digital touchscreen gives you access to preset cooking modes designed for different pizza styles. The oven heats quickly and reaches temperatures well suited for fast, effective bakes, creating an environment that feels deliberate and controlled. As you cook, the ceramic pizza stone plays a central role in shaping the final result. It absorbs moisture from the dough while delivering steady bottom heat, helping the crust develop structure and bite. Inside the enclosed chamber, heat remains consistent, so the pizza cooks evenly from center to edge without unexpected temperature swings. The viewing window and interior light add confidence to the process. You can visually track browning, bubbling cheese, and doneness without opening the door. When you remove the finished pizza, it feels thoughtfully cooked, with a cohesive texture and inviting aroma that fills the kitchen. Over repeated use, the Chefman oven earns trust through its consistency and ease of use. It's particularly appealing if you value digital control and repeatable results. You can expect dependable performance that supports both quick weeknight pizzas and more intentional cooking sessions, reinforcing its place among serious indoor pizza oven reviews. As we move further along, the Ooni Volt 12 electric pizza oven introduces a more professional level of indoor pizza making. Its solid construction and insulated body are designed to safely achieve extremely high temperatures indoors. Once preheated, the oven delivers the kind of heat intensity typically associated with commercial or outdoor pizza ovens. When you launch a pizza onto the stone, the impact is immediate. The stone stores substantial heat, while independently controlled top and bottom heating elements allow you to fine-tune how the pizza cooks. This gives you the ability to balance rapid crust development with perfectly cooked toppings, often completing a pizza in just minutes. The sensory payoff is striking. You see dramatic oven spring, smell dough caramelizing, and watch cheese blister under intense top heat. The insulated chamber keeps temperature stable, so the pizza bakes in a controlled environment that rewards precision and experimentation. Over time, the Volt 12 shows why many enthusiasts consider it a top-rated indoor pizza oven. It brings serious capability into your kitchen, giving you the confidence to explore different dough styles and techniques while consistently achieving impressive results. Finally, we arrive at the Breville Smart Oven Pizzaiolo, a model often referenced when defining the best indoor pizza oven experience. From the outset, its preset pizza programs guide you through different styles by automatically managing heat distribution. These presets adjust top and bottom heating elements throughout the bake, closely mimicking traditional pizza oven behavior. As you begin using it, you notice how the oven responds intelligently to each stage of the cook, rather than applying constant heat from start to finish. The Pizzaiolo is capable of reaching temperatures up to 750 degrees Fahrenheit, which allows the dough to bake quickly before it loses moisture. The integrated cordierite pizza stone absorbs excess moisture from the base while delivering powerful, even heat into the crust. What stands out most during use is how smoothly the cooking process unfolds. The oven manages heat transitions automatically, so you see the crust set rapidly, the cheese melt evenly, and the toppings cook through without scorching. The result is a pizza that feels cohesive and thoughtfully baked, with crisp edges, a tender interior, and fully developed flavor in every bite. From a sensory perspective, cooking with the Pizzaiolo is deeply engaging. You hear the faint crackle of heat meeting dough, smell the rich aroma of browning flour, and watch the pizza transform through the glass door. With support for pizzas up to 12 inches, the experience feels refined yet approachable, even if you're still developing your technique. As you spend more time with the Breville Smart Oven Pizzaiolo, consistency becomes its defining trait. Whether you're making pizza occasionally or refining recipes regularly, it delivers repeatable, polished results. It's easy to see why it frequently appears in indoor pizza oven reviews as a reference point for indoor performance and design. When you step back and consider all 5 of these ovens together, the range of experiences is impressive. Each one offers a different path toward great indoor pizza, from visible, rotating simplicity to high-heat, precision-driven baking. And before you head out, I'm very curious which of these ovens you feel would fit your kitchen and cooking style best. And let me know in the comments, because I would like to hear your take. And in case you're interested, you'll find links to the current prices for each oven in the description box below. No matter which style fits your kitchen and cooking habits, today's indoor pizza ovens make it entirely possible to enjoy satisfying, memorable pizza without ever stepping outside.